Hello everyone, welcome to this example video tutorial where we will calculate a particular year is a leap year or not. So this is the algorithm that is been stated over here. It says that the year is a leap year if it is divisible by 4 and not divisible by 100 or divisible by 400. So for an example, if you go by this algorithm, so 2000 is a leap year but 2100 is not a leap year. Okay, so we'll write our program first. So after writing the program, let's run it first and then we'll discuss the logic. Okay, so let's build it and then let's run it. So we'll first put our current year, which is 2016. So we'll see that okay, this is a leap year, which is correct, right? And then we'll run again. We'll enter 2000, which is the leap year also, which is correct. So now we'll run again and we'll write 2100, which is not a leap year. So I'm expecting it to print not a leap year. Yes, so it's not a leap year. And we can run for another example. Let's say 2017, which is of course not a leap year. So it's not a leap year. So our program is running as expected. So let's see what is the logic over here. So based on the algorithm, we have to write our program, correct? So here we are taking one year as integer variable and then we are asking the user to enter the year. And what we are doing here is if the year mod 4, so that means is equal to 0, that means it is divisible by 4. Okay, and now this is the AND condition. Okay, so this particular whole thing is our AND condition. Okay, and there I have one more condition, that the year should not be divisible by 100 or if the year is divisible by 400. So then the year becomes a leap year. Otherwise the else part is it is not a leap year. So let's take a look when you entered 2100. So what's happening over there? So let's say your year is So let's say your year is 2100. Okay. So what is happening over here is, this year 2100 is divisible by 4, which is true. So this is becoming true now. Okay. So and then AND condition is there. So then again year is divisible by 100 is not equal to 0. So this is false now because 2100 is divisible by 100. And this condition, year is divisible by 400 equals to 0. So this is also false, right? So finally, out of this condition, what we got is true and false or false, right? So false or false will give me false. So now, this will be true and false. So, this will be true and false. So finally, true and false is false. So the final verdict of this condition will be false. So that is why 2100 is not a leap year. So now let's take a look when year is 2000. What is happening over here is, okay, so this condition is true. Now this condition is false, right? So it is divisible by 100, we know that, and this also is true. So finally what we got is true and false or true. So false or true is giving me a result of true, so that is why true and true will give me a result of true. So finally, so that is why it is true, so that is why it will print this one, that this is a leap year. So what happens when you entered 2016, when your year is 2016? Okay, so this is true of course, but and inside this so this is also true, right? But this is false. So now you got true and true or false. So it will give you true and true, which is giving you true. So that is why 2016 is a leap year. So it will come over here. Okay. So if you be a compiler and you compile your program, just put some time, hold on for a minute, just take a deep breath and notice carefully what it is doing. Then you will be able to understand the logic, and then you try. That is the suggestion that I always give to my students, that you practice. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.